Hello there. This video is to introduce the basic structure of how to write the BEST test of English proficiency's integrated writing question. First, let's take a quick look at the requirements. This essay should be between 120 and 150 words, and you will have about 30 minutes for this writing task. The information you will be given for an integrated writing question includes background information, an assignment or prompt, directions, which will likely include 2 tasks. Task 1 will be to summarize the data. Task 2 will ask to share your opinion and integrate the data. Lastly, you will be given 2 figures to analyze. These figures could include a variety of charts, graphs, or diagrams, such as a bar chart, a pie chart, a line graph, table chart, or a process diagram. For your writing, you will focus on your prompt, directions, and figures. Read each part very carefully and make sure you understand what the question is asking you to do and what the figures are showing. A tip: mark the figures and take quick notes to help organize your thoughts and make the writing easier. Now, how do you actually write this essay? The general structure will follow your directions. So, your first paragraph will address task 1, summarizing. Your next paragraph will address task 2, stating your opinion and integrating the data. Your last paragraph will be a short conclusion, only about 2 sentences. Let's take a look at an example question. First, you have your background information. Then, you are given your prompt. Next are your directions. Task 1 is to summarize the main points shown in the 2 figures. Task 2 is to state your own opinion on the topic using the information from the 2 figures. So now that I have read my background information, read my prompt, and identified my 2 tasks, the last step before writing is to analyze my 2 figures. I note that the first figure talks about student concerns, while the second talks about teacher concerns. Next, I want to see what the main concerns are based on the 2 figures. Lastly, I will jot some quick notes to help me remember and organize my writing. Now I am ready to write. Following our structure, paragraph 1 will address task 1, summarizing. When summarizing, you want to make sure you include information about figure 1, figure 2, and to synthesize. To synthesize, you will compare the 2, and you can share any similarities or any trends you notice between the 2. Let's take a look at the example. First, I start with figure 1, and I share the main concerns about students with online learning. Then, I go on to talk about figure 2, sharing the 2 main concerns that teachers have based on the figure. Lastly, I synthesize. To sum up, the core for both students and teachers of concerning for online teaching is the participation in online class. So in this example, the synthesis is sharing what is similar between both student concerns and teacher concerns. My second paragraph will address task 2, asking to share your opinion and integrate the data. How you do this is first State your own opinion and why. You must give reasons as to why you think something. Then you integrate information from the two figures. Let's take a look at the example. First, they state their opinion that they do think that online learning should be a part of school instruction, and they include reasons such as technology, globalization, and mention situations like COVID-19 in which students do not have a physical space to learn. The next part of the paragraph includes information from the two figures. Again, the figures are sharing concerns and challenges with students and teachers with online learning, and that the main concern involves interaction. However, to help support their opinion that online learning should be a part of school, they provide solutions to these concerns or challenges, such as interaction in class, like including online quiz games. Finally is the conclusion paragraph. Again, this is short and concise. In the example conclusion paragraph, they again restate their opinion that online learning is necessary. They do mention the figures again and how that they do share concerns and challenges, but that if they can be overcome, online learning has many benefits for students and teachers. There you have it. That is an example of an integrated writing essay. Again, as a reminder, the general structure will be paragraph 1 addressing task 1, in which you summarize figure 1, figure 2, and synthesize both figures. Your second paragraph will address task 2, sharing your opinion and data, and your last paragraph will be a short and concise conclusion. And that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to practice more, feel free to sign up for a writing lesson, or you can sign up for a one-on-one writing consultation with a writing tutor. You can sign up for either at the English Writing Lab website, or follow our Instagram to stay up to date and connected. Thank you!